Hello viewers, welcome to Ecom IS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a concept called deepfake versus shallow fake. You might all have awareness about what is a deepfake. We are seeing these terms in the news very often, right? Already, if you have remembered, recently there is one actress who has suffered because of this deepfake technology. So in this context, we are knowing about what is deepfake and what is a shallow fake. What is the difference between these two? Because it is very much important to understand these technologies and how they are operating in the prelims perspective. So first thing you have to know is 2024 is going to be the election year. I'm not meaning an election year, but the election year, because so many countries are facing general elections in the 2024 itself. So you know, technology is a double-edged sword. So what happens when we use technology in the way, the result also will be in the same way. That means if you use it for positive, it will be giving you positive results. But if you are using for negative, it may harm the society also. In this way, the deepfake on shallow fakes, okay, so they may trouble the election environment across the globe, not only across the globe, but also in India, because there can be a chance of spread of misinformation, or there can be some altered images, speeches, texts and videos. So these can be used by one organization or one party against another to get electoral benefits. So in this context, there are some concerns raising about this widespread use of deepfake and shallow fake. First, we have to remember is what is a deepfake and what is a shallow fake. What is the difference between these two? These are the things which we will understand in a very less amount of time. So here you can see what is a shallow fake. Recently, the concern is mainly because of election campaigns that happen. Okay, so what is a shallow fake? So first thing you need to understand is shallow fake and deep. Okay, so why we call this as a shallow fake? Because this, whatever the technology that is used, okay, so that is easily available. And see, for example, what is the basic difference between deep fake and shallow fake is deep fake will be using artificial intelligence, machine learning type of technology to alter it. That means even without, see, for example, if you want to design a person's image who is not existing, so you can make it using a deepfake technology. But on the other hand, shallow fake means if there is already existing photo or image, so you can alter it using some editing technologies which you have, the softwares and all which you have with you, and you can alter it. That means you can change the position of the person, you can add some other environment in the background, like this you can change. That means alter. So you cannot create as like deepfake, so many editions cannot be made, but small editions can also spread the misinformation. So in this context, we should know what is a shallow fake as well as deep fake. Okay, so right, you can see shallow fakes are manipulated images, videos or voice related things without AI technology. The most important thing is they don't use artificial intelligence. They'll be using common editing techniques or technology to alter these things. Then deep fakes will be using AI based, sophisticated algorithms, AI based and machine learning technologies to alter. And you know, in the recent times, why we have to raise concerns about use of shallow fakes is because without artificial intelligence means without any technological awareness also, any person with some common editing techniques, he can easily develop these shallow fakes. Okay, in this context, the misinformation has become a challenge even before Election Commission of India. How to filter this? For example, if you can see the shallow fake, this was posted by Congress on its Twitter handle, you can say X handle, and you can see before the image, okay, so of a trying wrestler, you can see the Prime Minister standing. This is not actually happened in the real time, okay, but it was created using deepfake technology or shallow fake technology. That means it was created. That means it is a misinformation being spread about the Prime Minister and in the part of election campaign. So this is one such example. So first you have to understand what is the difference. As I told you, deepfakes will be using artificial intelligence, machine learning type of advanced technology to create something even without existence also. For example, okay, and if you have seen, like for example, if there is a person's image, okay, so if that person's image is like whatever the image you see is 10 years ago, but if you wanted to alter it using artificial intelligence, you can create it, recreate it afresh, and also you can change the environment so that it will appear in the present time. That means it is appearing to 2024 year itself. Like that you can change with deepfake technology. But on the other hand, shallow fakes, they rely on the less complex editing technologies. So they use normally traditional tools instead of using AI. So AI type of things will not be used in shallow fakes. This is a primary difference. Then other differences are deepfakes. If you see, they are indistinguishable because they will be completely new and you cannot easily identify whether it is false or fake. Okay, so it will appear so true and it is very difficult for us to indistinguishable. Okay, and what is shallow fakes? It will be appearing like alteration. That sometimes you will see, you know, if you see normal photo and if you see an edited photo, you can understand the difference, right? So there will be some easily observed things which you can understand that it is a altered image. Same way it appears that it is something altered. That means you can easily predict what is a shallow fake, but it is unpredictable in the case of deepfake. Okay, so this is the primary difference. Then what is the deepfake technology? It is less accessible because the persons who are having good sound knowledge of AI or machine learning, they only can use this. But on the other hand, shallow fakes, easily the person who is having common minimum editing technologies, they also can use it. So in this way, shallow fakes can prevail over the election period, and they can have a potential chance of spreading misinformation and false information also. So what is the conclusion you can give? In the recent times, World Economic Forum has given an important report called Global Risk Report. So it said India is facing the first in the facing of misinformation or disinformation. So in this context, it is very much important to give more powers to the Election Commission of India in controlling these information so that it will not subvert our free and fair elections. This is a conclusion. Then let's see the practice question given yesterday. What did Subhash Chandra Bose name the Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Whether it is Shahid Swaraj Islands, Subhash, and Kalapani, means it is Shahid Swaraj Islands. You know, Kalapani is a disputed area between India and Nepal. Then today's practice question, consider the following statements about shallow fakes. First one, they create cheap fakes or pictures, videos and video clips without help of AI technology. As opposed to deep fakes, they can appear highly realistic and create indistinguishable counterfeit content. Shallow fakes being less technological intensive, they are more accessible to the average person. So which of these combination of options is correct? Try to answer in the comment section. If you like these videos, try to put in the comment section so that it will be a support for us. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.